Hello everyone, I am Davinder Kaur. Welcome back to my channel Study Time with Davinder. Today we will discuss the poem Rain on the Roof written by Coates Kinney. This poem is taken from the book Beehive, Class 9. Let's begin the poem. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of soft rain on the roof? क्या तुमने इस तरह की जो patter sound यानी कि raindrops की sound तुमने सुनी है? What thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? यानी कि इस melodious sound को सुनकर आपके mind में कैसे ideas आते हैं? So read the poem to find out what poet dreamed of while listening to the rain. यानी कि इस रेन की आवाज को सुनकर पोएट क्या देखता है, क्या सपना देखता है. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. When the humid shadows hover over all starry spheres and melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. मीन्स स्टार से भरे हुए पूरे जो आसमान में डार्क क्लाउड्स इधर उधर मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं और जो डार्क क्लाउड्स हैं वो बहुत ही सैड दिख रहे हैं. यानी कि जो डार्क क्लाउड्स हैं वो रोने लगते हैं धीरे धीरे आंसू बनकर. तो रेन ड्रॉप्स को आंसू से यानी कि टीयर से कंपैरिजन किया हुआ है. सो पोएट कह रहा है कि जो कॉटेज का एक रूम है उसमें एक बेड में लेटे हुए सिर के ऊपर जो पैटरिंग साउंड है यानी कि रेन ड्रॉप्स की साउंड जो है वो सुनकर पिलो को दबाने में कितना अच्छा लगता है. सो व्हाट पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू कन्वे इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, पोएट इज comparing raindrops to tears and he says that the dark sky which seems to be very sad, it appears as if it is crying and the raindrops are the tears shed by it. He adds that it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his room, cottage chamber means bedroom, and listens to the sound made by raindrops falling on the roof. Now next stanza. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections wave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Tinkle means short, light ringing sound. Shingles means rectangular wooden tiles used on the roof. And echo means repeated sound. So poet says that जब भी मैं छत पर जाता हूँ उस पर पड़ने वाली जो रेन ड्रॉप्स हैं उसकी जो पैटरिंग साउंड है उसको जब भी मैं सुनता हूँ और जो टाइनी पीसेस ऑफ रॉक्स होते हैं, छोटे छोटे कंकड़ होते हैं, उस पर पड़ने वाली हर आवाज़ जो होती है उसके दिल में गूंजने लगती है. सो वो यानी कि इमेजिनेशन में खो जाता है. ओके, सो व्हाट पोएट सेज, ही रिकलेक्ट्स मैनी मेमोरीज ऑफ द पास्ट which come back into his mind as dreams. So he says that as he listens to the patter of the sound of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind and memories of past come back in the form of dreams. यानी कि वो dreams के रूप में वो सामने आते हैं, imagination में खो जाता है. Now next stanza. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers array, she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain which is played upon the shingles by patter of the rain. So meaning of the word array, old poetic word for before. Dawn means daybreak, list means old poetic word for listen. Refrain means a repeated part of a song. Hear the sound of the rain. Here the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother as he had told in the previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past. It is a memory of his mother who is no longer alive. The poet also remembers his mother and feels her presence as he used to lie in her lap. He also brings those memories in the past and feels nostalgic as the raindrops fall on his rooftop. She used to love him and let him sleep so that he could dream. The poet can still feel her presence as the drops of sound fall on the roof. The sound relates him to his past, and whenever he listens, he gets nostalgic and get lost in his fancy world. Let's begin the literary devices of the poem. Now in first stanza, alliteration is used here in the word humid hover, starry spheres, press pillow, lie listening. Okay, and now personification is used in the word darkness, which is related to sadness. Now in second stanza, alliteration is used here being, busy being, their threads, rain, roof. Okay. Now in third stanza, alliteration is used in the word memory, my mother, M, repetition of the letter M, and darling dreamers, and onomatopoeia is used in these lines, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now this is the end of the poem. I hope you have understood. Keep learning. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.